Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe, and if you like this video, then please share with your friends also. So today topic is how to pledge your shares in Zerodha account, and what is the use of pledging the shares, how you can use that pledge margin which you receive from the stocks. So let's talk. This is the home screen of Zerodha. So when you click here, then you find console. After when you click to the console, then you come to the next page. So here you will find that portfolio and holding. So when you click on the holding, then you will receive and you will able to see all the stocks which are there in your portfolio. So what you do, if you want to pledge any stock in Zerodha, for that just see, for example, Reliance. For doing Reliance share pledging, you have to click at the three dots, then you can able to see pledge for margin. So basically when you do this activity, then you can't able to sell this particular stock. So for selling this stock, you need to unpledge this activity. So like you are doing the pledge for this particular stock, the same way you have to unpledge it. Okay, so now here we see today's stock price is 2226. Okay, the haircut is 17.78%. So when you pledge your one stock, then you will get the margin of 1830 rupees into your account, and this margin will come by tomorrow. Okay, so this quantity is depending upon you only. So like I have the available quantity 24 with me, so I can pledge 1, I can pledge 20, I can pledge even 24 also. So for doing this activity, you have to pay some certain amount of charges, which is 30 rupees plus GST per script. Okay, so if you do Reliance, so for that you have to pay 30 rupees plus GST. If you do this activity into another stock, then also you have to pay this amount. Okay, by doing this by writing this pledge quantity and submitting, then what you have to do, you have to check your registered email ID. By evening you will receive a mail from CDSL, in which you have to authorize the pledge request, which you will receive from CDSL. After that only that your shares get pledged and you will receive the margin. If you ignore that mail and if you do not authorize that mail, then you will not receive the margin and your stocks will not get pledged. So you have to do this activity again for pledging it. Okay, so if I show you some other example, like Vedanta pledge for margin, you able to see that in Reliance it was 17% in haircut. So here the haircut is 35%. So in every stock the haircut is different. Okay, so for in this the stock price is 252 rupees and you will get 164 rupees for one stock. I have 100 quantity, I can pledge 100, I can even pledge 50 also, it's up to me. Okay, so now when we do this pledging, okay, what is the use of that amount which we receive into our account for doing the pledge? So here you can able to see that the pledging margin you can use in intraday equity stocks. Okay, so you can do intraday trading with that margin. You can do future trading, either you can do future buy or you can sell future of any, means Nifty, Bank Nifty or any stock. And you can do option writing. Option writing means option selling. You can't buy the options with this margin, but you can sell. So you can sell Nifty options, you can sell Bank Nifty options, you can sell any stock option basically also. So so along with this you have to maintain some cash balance also into your account. It's not like that you only have this pledge margin into your account, because the adjustment requires the cash margin also while doing the trade. So if you do not have the enough cash into your account, then a charges of 0.05% per day is applicable, and that has been charged from Zerodha side. So that thing you have to take care. And I hope you are now very much clear with this pledging concept. If you have any doubt, any query, do let me know. Hope you like this video. If you do not have the Zerodha account, then open from the link which is given in the description. Thank you so much.